I'm the Director of Facilities Management at Melbourne Health, which incorporates the Royal Melbourne Hospital. We look after all the term non-clinical services or the hotel type services, so anything that's not directly patient care falls to us. We look after all the facilities and all of the infrastructure associated with that. Hospitals are mini cities really, and we have a large throughput of people on a daily basis, both patients, visitors and staff. In that, communication's a huge challenge, and when you take on board the fact that we're in 10 high-rise buildings sitting on this site of various ages, back 80 years through to the last 2 years, we have a lot of dead spots of communication. Our operating theatres and some of our key clinical areas. We had a recommendation some years back about the level of background noise within a hospital, and hospitals can be very noisy places. So our public address system and the number of codes we stand up and stand down on a daily basis is somewhere between 40 and 50 a day. So we made the conscious decision to not stand down codes moving forward over the public address system. The only way we could do that and ensure that our services continue to operate was to have a very good communication system in the background. So we use 4G technology and SMS technology to all of our clinicians via our paging system, and we can now stand down silently as opposed to doing it on a public address system. So a good 4G network, mobility network within the hospital was critical. So this has not only aided and abetted our staff, it's aided and abetted the patients that are here and the visitors that come here or the carers related to those patients. Off the back of the successful deployment at City Campus, the Royal Melbourne Hospital, we're now looking to roll out into the suburbs for our Northwest Mental Healthcare Network. There's 6 key sites which we'll be introducing telephony fixed and mobile, as well as a WAN wireless system throughout those 6 key mental health sites that are now living in the suburbs branching around the north and west of Melbourne. Clearly, the benefits of the partnership of the relationship we've now managed to build with Optus. That's brought us many innovations to our organisation. Optus are a very innovative company and have brought lots of technology to us that we hadn't considered, and it plays a big role in both our day-to-day operations and even in emergency situations, and people relying on that interconnectivity if there's been a big incident in the city, and how we interconnect with our customers, and their ability to achieve a signal on this site now is huge.